dust.
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 Dust can be a noun, a verb or a name. As a noun, dust can mean 1. Fine particles, 2. The act of cleaning by dusting, 3. The earth, as the resting place of the dead, 4. The earthy remains of bodies once alive, the remains of the human body, 5. Something worthless, 6. A low or mean condition, 7. Cash, money in reference to gold dust, 8. A disturbance or uproar, 9. A totally disconnected set of points with a fractal structure. As a verb, dust can mean 1. To remove dust from, 2. To remove dust, to clean by removing dust, 3. Of a bird, to cover itself in sand or dry, dusty earth, 4. To spray or cover something with fine powder or liquid, 5. To leave, to rush off, 6. To reduce to a fine powder, to levitate, 7. To kill or severely disable. As a name, dust can mean surname.
Look at all the dust coming off of Africa.